Okay, got Chris's Seafire. Just trying to sort out the electrics in it. So I've got a rather large 3300 6-volt receiver battery. Goes through up to the switch, back out to the RX charge port. That in turn goes into battery port on the receiver. Then we've got an onboard glow on this, so we've also got a glow switch plus little gizmo. Right, this allows us to have an auto mode, so that when the throttle's in below 20%, it turns the glow on, helping slow idle, I believe. I think that's how it works. So we've got throttle servo, this Futaba, that runs into throttle input on the glow switch plus, that which in turn goes to the throttle channel on the receiver. We've got a 3000 mAh, 3300 mAh nickel metal hydride glow plug battery with its own glow charging lead there, which has just got a piece of heat shrink around it, just so you don't connect it up by accident. And then we've got a auxiliary battery unit which is connected to the gear channel, just in case gear servo jams and drains all the batteries dead quick and browns out and plane dies a horrible splintery death. Anyway, waffling again as usual. So we've got a 2200 mAh 6-volt battery just for the retracts, in through its own switch into battery in on the auxiliary battery unit. The RX channel goes into the gear port on the RX, and then battery out goes to, surprisingly, gear, which is under there. Servos. So let's see if this all works. Turn that other radio on, and we've got a Seafire. Yep. Turn this on. You get funky disco lights, and that's all initialized. Receiver's bound. We've got a red light here, which would suggest that we have onboard glow at this time. So if I move the throttle up to just about, or just at over 20%, the glow light goes off. We've got rudder, and we've got elevator as well. That's all nicely connected up in there. Bit of a chat on this, one of them. Don't know which one it is. The digital noise, so it's one of these over that. Might be the. Yeah, it's the elevator. There we go. Shut up now. And then we've got Apple. And you can see the light coming on and off. It's full chat, no glow, because compression's doing its own thing. Down to 20%, just under. That's up. Zero throttle. Glow plugs on to help the tick over. Okay, right. I think that's about it. Oh, there we go. Just to check that the retracts work, make sure they're on, which they're not. So turn them on, and then we go. Nothing happens. Turn them on. Reverse the switch. Now we get retracts going up and down. means I have to just reverse that because that's wrong. It says off and it's quite clearly on. So I'll reverse that marker plate on the top when I put it in the fuzz. Okay, see you later. Ta-da.